So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 17th of November for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. And for workshops and courses and healing modalities, you can just check out the description box. You will find the links. Okay, let's start. Okay, Pisces, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what's happening. We have the Eight of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, the Star. Yeah, it's like they are feeling left out in the cold. They are feeling mentally in some kind of jail. The more they are trying to fix this jail, the more they are trying to come out of this mental stressful energies that they're going through, the more they're getting more pissed off with their energies. And the more this person is trying their best to remain positive and optimistic in this direction, the more it's kind of haunting them. So this person is definitely feeling they should heal themselves from the core so that they can come out of this feeling like a loser kind of feeling, continuously thinking negative about their love life, and they can be at peace with themselves. Right now, they're super focused on this energy of healing themselves properly. Instead of focusing on this connection, on this relationship, they feel like they should just work on themselves as deeply as possible so that they can make the right choices, make the good choices in their love and relationship area, because according to them, they have messed up this connection, this situation in their love and relationship area with everybody, actually big time. And now this is the time for them to change and heal themselves properly so that they can attract the right person, right energies towards them, and make the right decision, right choices. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Queen of Pentacles, Hermit, and the Five of Cups. See, Pisces, their energies are super focused on themselves right now. It's not about you, it's not about relationship between you and them, it's about relationship between them and themselves, them and them. So they want to stabilize their energies, they want to stay grounded, they want to stay calm, they want to learn from the experiences, the blessings, the wisdoms, the lessons, everything that they have gone through. They want to learn from the regrets and the guilt, whatever they have gone through till this point in their love and relationship area. They want to learn from that on a deeper level, and they want to be a totally fresh and totally different energy with a very stable mindset, with a very stable energies, and they want to go towards the next chapter of their love and relationship area with that healed and changed kind of version of themselves, changed kind of and healed kind of energies. This person is going through a major transformation in their own energies, knowingly or unknowingly. Sometimes we don't understand what we are going through, we just feel detached from everything and everyone. We are just going through we are just going through period of transition that we don't understand sometimes on a conscious level. But this person is trying their best to make conscious efforts to change themselves, their own energy, so that they can attract better in their love and relationship area, most of them consciously. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 17th of November, honey. See, this person is coming towards you with this kind of energy of, can we be friends again, can we see where things can go between me and you. Now this person, trust me, this person is not coming towards you with love. This person is coming towards you with this energy of, maybe we can fix it. The love portion is missing. They are coming towards you with a very practical kind of approach. The lovers here talks about choices and decisions. They might make the choice or the decision of coming towards you, but with a lot of practicality, with a lot of sense of, okay, now we can fix this, now we can make this work out. Now they are going to use all of their mind in this relationship rather than their heart and soul. Now for some of it could be possible that they have another option, another person, another energy as well that they're dealing with, but they're going to choose you at the end of the day. Eventually they're going to choose you, but at the same time they are going to keep their option open and or their energy open towards that particular person or situation also that they're going to leave behind. It's not a complete closure of a cycle between them or something else or someone else, because they want to work on this with you, and they want to prove to you that they are a changed energy, changed person, healed kind of energy from their side. They might try it with you once more. But again, this person is not coming towards you with love, with heart and soul. They're coming towards you with stable kind of uh, mentally grown kind of energy of, okay, now I have grown my energies, now I'm sorted, now I'm stable, now we can try with each other, that kind of energy. That doesn't make any sense. It's up to you. Guidance, the Fool card. Before taking any kind of risk in this direction, before saying yes or before jumping into any kind of risky situations, try to understand what can come out of that situation. If you're ready to take another lesson, and or if you're ready to have this energy of, okay, whatever is going to come out, it's my responsibility, I am ready to take the responsibility, I'm ready to take the risk, you by all means you can go in that direction. But if you are not ready to take the risk, if you're not in that energy of having another lesson or another failure, just do it with caution. With the same person, with the same energy, repeating the same cycle might be not that much good for you. That's completely up to you, but this is what I'm getting as of now. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.